Hello everyone, this is Student Affairs. We are still on Simultaneous Equation Challenge. 100 questions. Here we have number 19. Alright, we have the question x squared plus y squared equals 29. That's equation 1. Then we have y minus x equals 3. That's equation 2. If you look carefully on the board, you will discover that equation 1 is not a linear simultaneous equation, but equation 2 is a linear simultaneous equation. So we are going to take it gradually to be able to find the value of x and y and be able to equate it to these values. Let's divide the board. Solution. We'll be solving this question using substitution method. Follow carefully. Now, let's rewrite the question. X squared plus y squared equals 29. Y minus x equals 3. Now, we are going to make y the subject of formula in equation 2. So we have y equals 3 minus x crosses equality sign becomes plus what? X. This gives us what? Equation 3. So we will now go to equation 1 to substitute y as 3 plus x. Are you following? Now we have x squared. That is for us to be able to find the value of x. X squared plus what is y? Y is 3 plus x all squared, right? Equals 29. All right. The next thing we need to do is to expand 3 plus x all squared. Let's use here. This is the same thing as 3 plus x times 3 plus x. Are you following? So let's expand it. 3 times 3 is what? 9, right? 3 times x is 3x. X times 3 is 3x. X times x is what? X squared. Are you following? I'm trying to expand this. Now we have 9 plus 3x plus 3x is what? 6x plus x what? Square. Are you following? So we are going to bring this to substitute this in this equation. So what we have is plus 9 plus 6x plus x squared equals 29. All right. We have x squared here, x squared here. So x squared plus x squared will give you what? 2x squared, right? Plus 6x plus 9 equals 29. We can collect like terms. We will now have 2x squared plus 6x equals 29 minus 9. All right. 2x squared plus 6 equals 29 minus 9 gives you what? 20. All right. This is the same thing as 2x squared plus 6 minus 20 equals 0. Are you following? Two x squared plus 6 minus 20 equals 0. Now we are going to find two numbers that when we add them together, we will have plus 6. Let me clean this. Plus 6x rather. Now, minus 4 plus 10. Minus 4x plus 10x will give you what? Will give you 6x, which is plus 6x. So, 6x is the same thing as minus 4x plus 10x. So, we have 2x squared minus 4 what? X plus 10x minus 20 equals 0. Are you following? We factorize. When we factorize, what do we have here? We can now have 2x bracket x is remaining, right? Minus 4x divided by this will give you what? 2 bracket close plus 10 bracket close. What do we have remaining? X. Now minus 20 divided by 10 will give you what? Minus 2. Are you following? So we are going to take one of the brackets. We will now have 2x plus 10, right, equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0. 2x plus 10 equals 0, or x equals 2. All right. This is tempting as 2x equals minus 10. X equals minus 10 over 2. X equals minus 5. Or x equals 2. These are the two values of x. So with this now, we can now substitute x in any of the equations. Okay, we can substitute x in this equation to find the value of y. So what do we now have? When x is equal to minus 5, y will be y equals 3 plus minus 5. All right, y will be equal to 3 plus times minus will give you minus 5, which will give equal to 3 minus 5 will give you what? Minus 2. So when s equals minus 5, y is what? Minus 2. Then when s equals 2, y will be equal to 3 plus 2, which is 5. So when s equals 2, y equals 5. When s equals minus 5, y equals minus 2. This is the answer. Are you following? Kindly share this video and follow for more.